I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca, the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link, and beautiful day today. Typical, early autumn temperatures that reached the middle to upper 60s, including 66 in Providence, upper 60s in Taunton, Newport, nice as well. And essentially cool, dry weather anticipated for tonight. No weather issues, but boy, we've got a very changeable week ahead, starting Wednesday and extending through the weekend, and especially in the Wednesday-Thursday time frame. The Wednesday temperature forecast is very tricky. Do we briefly make it to 80 degrees before a cold front brings in some cool temps and some rain showers? So Wednesday is a big transition day, which eventually into much cooler weather by Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. Thursday looks raw and wet, drizzle, showers, almost cold. I mean, daytime highs on Thursday probably only in the upper 50s. In the meantime, we are clear. Satellite photo shows some decent weather here in southern New England. We'll widen out the view. We got some showers in the Hudson Valley of New York. Should not be a factor in our forecast for this evening and through the overnight. We'll widen out the view, and our next weather maker is actually, where are they? Two fronts, yeah. Warm front red, cold front blue. The warm front, as it approaches tonight, tomorrow, bringing us some extra clouds. Maybe a sprinkle Tuesday, but essentially dry. The cold front really means business as far as eventually knocking down the temperature by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, through the rest of the week and towards the weekend, and it will bring some wet weather eventually Wednesday into Thursday. In the meantime, a quick look at Lorenzo. This has been a historic hurricane for the eastern Atlantic as far as strength. Now, obviously, this is not a direct concern to the U.S. mainland. It's 1,600 miles away. But what's interesting is that we can overlay the wave height model. So we have models that predict wave height. These lines represent wave heights. And so quite simply, the energy, the wave energy, the swells can propagate hundreds, even thousands of miles from the center of the storm in all directions. And the net result here has been some big surf, nothing extreme, but increasing surf, and the rip current risk remains very high now through at least tomorrow evening. So even with these storms far, far out at sea, you can still get some swell and ocean impact. I'm getting real close. Take a look at the forecast hour by hour, starting off this evening with a little bit of clear weather, and then clouds increasing later on this evening and overnight. Here we are at 7 a.m. Starts off in the mid-50s, perhaps a sprinkle, nothing more than that. And then by afternoon, clouds linger, but we'll start to see some breaks in the overcast. I don't think it's a complete clearing, but some partial sunshine through the cloud cover. Temperature's not bad, lower 70s. And then tomorrow night, Tuesday night, 11 o'clock, partly cloudy, not as cool, with temps in the upper 60s. So cool and dry for tonight. Clouds are on the increase, 11 p.m., 53. And then for your Tuesday morning, mostly cloudy. Cool, essentially dry, though I wouldn't rule out a sprinkle. I just don't really see any legit rain that's going to really impact any kind of plans you have for travel and stuff like that. Temps starting off in the 50s. And then during the afternoon, we're looking at mainly cloudy skies, but notice a little brightening mid to late days, some breaks of sun coming through the cloud cover. Temperatures in the low 70s by 3 o'clock. So quiet this evening, not bad for your Tuesday outside of maybe just a quick sprinkle. And then the roller coaster ride with very changeable weather starts on Wednesday into Thursday and then through the weekend, but especially the Wednesday-Thursday time frame. So stay tuned for further updates. That's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.